Yes, good morning everyone. Today's we will start new chapter number 6, and name physical and chemical changes. In 6th standards, we have studied about some changes around us. But in this section, in this year, we will discuss about the physical and chemical changes. In previous classes, you have studied about the different types of changes, reversible and irreversible changes, slow and fast changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, different types of changes. But in this section, we will discuss in detail about the only physical and chemical changes. As all of you know, we have many substances around us. All these substances have certain properties such as state, color, state means solid, liquid, gas, size, shape, color, smell, temperature, composition and structure. These are the properties of the substances. State means solid substances, liquid substances and gases. Color, different substances having different color. Temperature, different substances having different temperature. Size, structure, composition, from which substances mix to each other and form new substances. In last chapter, we have discussed about the chemical reaction. So, these words taken from the composition in chemical combination. So, what is the physical structure, physical properties, and chemical structure, chemical properties? When one or more properties of a substances become different, we say that a change has a key place in it. Means, if any substances having different properties, one or more properties, include from the state, temperature, color, composition, structure, size, shape, different things. If one substance is having different, more than one or two properties having different from other substances, then we will say what? Change has taken place. Means that substances having changing from original substances. So changes are taking place all around us. There is no doubt. From morning to evening, all substances, some substances has taken place. Change their size, change their shape, change their color, change their properties, internal properties, characteristics, different things. For example, formation of curd from milk. Formation of curd from milk also changing. From milk to curd, you have find curd from the milk. So from milk to curd, it will be changing. Cooking of food or burning of fuels, drying of clothes, or ripening of fruits, or rusting of iron, tearing of paper, burning of paper. These are the example of the changing around us. So, some changes are beneficial for us and some changes are harmful for us, not beneficial for us. For example, ripening of fruits, beneficial for us, but rusting of iron, not beneficial for us. So, all changing, we can say, all changes are not beneficial for us. So, the change in a substance does not occur on its own. You should remember it. Any substances does not change in own. When you will apply any types of pressure, any types of force, any types of temperature, then that substances will be changed. Means without applying pressure, temperature or force, when you will apply external force, external temperature or external pressure, then that substances will be changed. Their shape, size, structure, color, different properties. Means changes in substances does not occur in own. There is always a cause which bring about a change in a substance. Without cause does not change any substances. For example, ice does not melt its own. Ice does not melt its own till apply the temperature. Or when you will apply the temperature, then ice change their structure, their states, and it converts into water. Ice must be given some heat. Without applying some heat, ice cannot change their own properties. So when you will apply it, when you will give some heat to the ice, then it starts to melting and change into water. So their heat is the cause of the changes of state of ice from ice means solid to liquid water. What is the causes of the changing of the ice to water? Heat. Means here you will find heat is the cause or heat is the reason of the changes ice to water. So without causes does not change any substances own. So some substances, every substance is having some causes. Now next, type of changes. So types of changes, there are two types of changes, physical change and chemical change. Physical change and chemical change. Changes can be of the following two ways: physical change and chemical change. What is a physical change? Physical change, you can see outer and external properties of the substances. Means those changes in which no new substances formed are called physical substances, physical changes. Means in physical changes you will not find new substances. The changes in state, size, shape and color. Changes in state means solid, liquid and gas. Size, shape and color, which can be easily reversed. Means the changes in state, size, shape and color of a substances are physical change. But temperature in chemical changes, composition in chemical changes, understood? Smell in chemical changes. But in physical changes you will find which types of changes? Structures, substances, means size, shape and color. So the physical changes are temporary changes. As we will apply force, then that substances will be changed. But after some time, they will be reversed in own substances, own original form. Means the physical changes are temporary changes which can be easily reversed to form the original substances. Physical changes is not permanent change. Chemical changes is a permanent change. So physical changes having different types of properties changing, state, size, color. And physical changes is a temporary changes. As you will remove the pressure or force from the substances, then that substances will be reversed in original form. Now what is the importance of the physical changes? So importance of the physical changes. So, importance of the physical changes, there are many importance of the physical changes. First, no new substances is formed in a physical change. In physical change, there is no new substances formed. Second property is a physical change in a temporary change. Third, a physical change can be reversed. Next, a very little energy is neither are broken or involved. Very little heat or energy absorbed or evolved in a physical changes. Means during the physical changes, very little heat evolved or absorbed. Temporary changes in a color may take place. Temporary changes in a color may take place in physical change. For example, a cutting of paper is a physical change. Melting of ice, tearing of paper, tearing of clothes, dissolving salt in water, dissolving sugar in water. These are the example of the physical changes. So physical changes, there are many examples, so many examples you can give about the physical changes. From ice to water, water to water vapor, steam, again water vapor to water, and from water to ice. These are the changing of the physical changes. Means when you will heat ice, it will be converted into water. When you will apply heat, it is a melting. It is known as melting. And when you will apply more heat in water, then it will be known as the evaporation. Means water vapor or steam. And reverse order, water vapor, when you will be freezing, then it will become what? Water vapor converted into water. It is known as condensation. And when water again will start freezing, then it will become ice. Means condensation. But these are the example of the physical changes. So, cutting of tree, cutting of paper, cutting of cloth, dissolving salt in water, dissolving sugar in water. These are the example of the physical changes. And next we will discuss about the different example of the physical changes and different properties of the physical changes, and there are many things. Okay, thank you.